We just from Wangige. That road to the left side goes towards Lower Kabete. The one straight heads towards Gitaru and route Kikuyu. Today we are taking a drive from Wangige to Kikuyu town, one of the busiest and fastest growing corridors on Nairobi's western edge. What was once a largely agricultural area has transformed into a major residential and commercial zone, attracting thousands of new residents every year. And that's so because the population of Kabete constituency is about 200,000 people, and the population of Kikuyu constituency is upwards of 320,000 people. And those two constituencies encompass this route we're going to be covering today. Basically put, Kabete and Kikuyu have a population of upwards of 550,000 people. And that's why we're seeing houses cropping up along this main transport corridor, because the previously agricultural land has now transformed into residential, and most people work within Nairobi but live in these areas, Wangige, Kikuyu, and the satellite towns in between, which we're going to talk about and which you can see. Because between Wangige and Kikuyu, there are some towns in between, such as, for example, the Kingero Junction Township, Ndurarwa, Mudhure, Ngure, as we head towards Gitaru interchange, which is the last major point, and then Kikuyu. Of course, all these areas I'm talking about lie within the larger Kiambu County, whose population is upwards of 2 million people in total. But these two constituencies have a population upwards of 550,000. Towns like Wangige are a major economic hub for this country because they are popular for trading, more so in agricultural produce. Talk about most of the eggs being supplied in the western part of Nairobi coming from Wangige, and also Wangige having one of the biggest open markets in the country. And of course today I'm heading to Kikuyu to show you some real estate properties there, because Kikuyu has also advanced when it comes to real estate. So I'm going to be showing you amazing houses within Kikuyu. And as we are traveling along this road, right now we are approaching a township called Ngure. You realize that there are so many apartments, so many houses, and these apartments that are visible along this road corridor are a sign of increasing demand for affordable housing outside Nairobi city center. And that is so because many residents of these areas work in Nairobi but choose to live in these areas around Wangige, Ngure, Mudhure, Gitaru, Kikuyu due to lower housing costs. Along this stretch, you're talking about the cost of housing being even under 25% the cost of housing in places like, for example, Westlands, Loresho, Kilimani, and the likes. Because in this area, you're gonna get houses, maybe a 1-bedroom house, rent being somewhere between 15,000 to about 20,000 Kenya shillings, or even 25,000 Kenya shillings. 2-bedroom being somewhere between 20,000 Kenya shillings to maximum maybe of 40,000 Kenya shillings, in case you're looking at those very high-end quality 2-bedroom houses. When you go to places like Westland, Spring Valley, Kilimani, Karen, the same size of houses are going to cost more than 4 times what they cost along this road corridor. And of course, just like any development, with road expansion and advancement, also real estate property has increased in price over the past few years. Right now, guys, we are at Gitaru. This area here, we're talking about the Gitaru interchange, which is basically the connection point of Gitaru Road, which we are on right now, and the Wangige Way, which is now at the overpass we are passing under right now. And with these, we are now edging towards Kikuyu town. Of course, Kikuyu town is also, and the larger Kikuyu constituency is a strategic hub for the country, because that region has a good number of learning institutions. It has trade going on, and some of the learning institutions in Kikuyu are, for example, University of Nairobi Kikuyu campus, okay, Alliance High School, Presbyterian University, and also it has key facilities in the country, like for example the Kikuyu Hospital, which is a key hospital. Guys, we are currently arriving in Kikuyu. We are entering the Kikuyu bus stage en route our adventure in the larger Kikuyu constituency today. And Kikuyu is a very strategic town because it is located between Nairobi and Limuru. And it is really a growing commercial and residential hub, benefiting from Nairobi metropolitan expansion. And the future of Kikuyu appears to be closely tied to Nairobi's continued growth. Guys, what do you think about this video? What do you think about Wangige, Kabete, Kikuyu, and the roles they play in the economic prosperity of our beautiful country, Kenya? It is a chilly morning, and we're just entering the Kikuyu bus stage en route our adventure within the larger Kikuyu constituency. If you love this video, remember to subscribe, drop a like, and stay tuned for amazing videos on a regular basis. Cheers, guys.